In today's video, we're going to be exploring a $1.6 billion market in the e-commerce space that is being absolutely dominated by one particular brand called Loop earplugs. And what we're talking about is the earplug market. So the earplug market is expected to reach 2.3 billion by 2032. It's at around 1.6 billion, or was in 2024. I have some data here, and Loop actually did about 200 million estimated revenue in 2024. So they have a huge percentage of this market. But the crazy thing about this market, and we're going to dive in this video into Loop themselves, their landing pages, their marketing, but then also just ideas in the broader landscape that you could be utilizing in order to grow your business, whether it's in this same space or whether it's a different kind of Shopify store or even any other business. There's a lot that you can learn from here, and I'm using a lot of data to back this stuff up, and also just anecdotal data from my brain from overseeing millions and hundreds of millions in revenue from our various clients and software clients. So anyways, let's just dive right in. So Loop themselves, they're a brilliant brand, super, super cool. And what they're doing is selling these earplugs. So I've actually talked about them before, but I'm just making it again because there's a few new things that I want to mention. Now, they are absolutely brilliant at using meta ads in order to grow their business. Their ad library is extremely interesting. We can see a variety of interesting things and static ads. So they actually are one of the best at static ads. And they do pretty simple things when it comes to static ads, but they test a lot. And this is a really cool thing that I think a lot of brands undervalue, is just testing a lot of image ads. I think for some reason people think that they don't work, but the reality is that they do work because it's very quick to understand what the product is about or what the value proposition is when you just display it in a static ad. But here's something very interesting. This is their US ad account, right? And as you see, they are testing Spanish content. So this is in Spanish. It's saying 3 pairs, 1 box. Pretty interesting, right? So this is the first golden nugget, I guess, that you can get from this video, is that there's a massive Spanish population in the US. You know, there's like 40 million Spanish speakers in the US alone, and they hardly ever get advertised to in their native language. So this is a really good way to cut through the noise and appeal to that demographic. And that's especially true if you are, for example, a Hispanic brand, right, in the US. Don't be afraid to do marketing in Spanish. In fact, you should 100% lean into that because right now it's booming. So if we go further, we can see a lot of their ads actually, they have a lot of different angles, right? So it's kind of hard to see. It's a little bit small. But for example, here they say they have this on a silver platter and they're saying, yes, sleep is our specialty. Ultra soft double tips for your best sleep yet. Yes to sleeping through snoring. Yes to 8 hours of sleep. So this is kind of a format that they're testing right now. It must be a winning format for them. That's why they have these ads on. So yes to 8 hours of sleep. You could use this for really any brand where you're solving some sort of problem. And that's actually one of the key things that I wanted to highlight about this is one of the things that's fueling this growth is the rising awareness of hearing health for recreational activities like concerts, music festivals, travel, and sleep. So the rising awareness, as people are getting more educated about hearing health, they are looking for solutions to it. So that's what's caused, or one of the reasons that Loop has completely dominated this market, is that they really understand all of those things, right? They have literally different models for each one of those different segments of people that attend music festivals, travel, sleep, and concerts, right? So this is kind of a master class on how you can dominate a niche if you really think about it. So yeah, you see they have a Coachella collaboration, the Dream earplug. So this one's obviously more for sleep. The Quiet, this one's just more for deep focus when you just want more silence in your day-to-day life. So let's take a look at this one because it's kind of expensive. So yeah, buy one for $49.95 or buy two for $84.92. So they got the quantity breaks discount. This is a brilliant thing you can do on Shopify. And by the way, guys, Shopify right now is literally just $1 a month. We have a great discount that we offer our ShoppyLab members. ShoppyLab is the software that I'm sharing here, and I have it in light mode right now. I usually do dark mode, but I don't know. I wanted to show you guys how it looks on light mode, I guess. But one of the cool things that you can do now with Shopify, and this is why I'm mentioning this, not just because it's only $1 a month for the next 3 months if you use the link in the description, but also because what you can do, and a lot of people don't know that you can do this. Shopify has an AI feature now. Just you get this Shopify feature just for having a Shopify plan, which is called Shopify Sidekick. And what you can literally do is tell Sidekick in your theme editor to build you out this section. It's pretty crazy. You can literally just tell it, hey, code me this quantity breaks, buy one, get one free widget above the fold, right above the add to cart, and it'll do it. It's pretty amazing. So, anyways, their landing pages are very simple. They have brilliant images. I really love these images, super high quality. But this is actually a very common structure, right? So they have a great offer, reviews. Here's the great offer, right? 100-day hassle-free return. So they have like an objection handle, like a trust builder right here, right below the add to cart. They have the quick buy button. And then you scroll down a little bit and you get some UGC videos right under the add to cart in the description. That's really nice. A lot of social proof, right? And then why choose Loop Dream? They give you, all the reasons why you should choose it. A nice little video from a PhD sleep expert, which is just, obviously going to give you a lot of trust and authority. And then some other bundles that you can buy. Then more objection handling with satisfaction guarantees. And then just more social proof. People love to buy things that other people are buying. And then reviews. So yeah, this doesn't have the best reviews, but it's still, people still are buying it a lot. So it's a very interesting niche. Now, one other thing I discovered is that there's a lot of suppliers for this kind of thing. So it's really wild to me how much of the market this brand is taking. And, that's not to, knock on Loop at all. Like if you guys are watching this from the Loop team, hit me up. I would love to work with you guys or just connect. I love connecting with other entrepreneurs, but yeah, it's just crazy. They were just able to really ride this trend of awareness, and they were even able to probably create a lot of that awareness through their marketing, which is super cool. One thing they're doing, which is what I would recommend any brand do right now if you are starting. So for example, if you find a supplier for this and you wanted to build a brand in this category, all of these are Alibaba suppliers, by the way. This is a tool called Axio. It's an AI manufacturing tool. It's actually from Alibaba. So, we should probably start buying Alibaba stock pretty soon here. Unless, I don't know, unless China does some crazy things, who knows? But yeah, it's pretty cool. And what they're doing, or they're starting to do now, which I think is a really good idea, but I think if you're a new brand, you have a bigger advantage in this, is do TikTok shop. So they're starting to post on their TikTok shop. They're getting affiliates and they're doing about 44K in revenue through TikTok shop, which to them is literally a drop in the bucket, right? They're doing 44K, probably like an hour at this point on their normal Shopify store. But with that said, what TikTok shop does is that it gives you a lot of free marketing and distribution that you can use for your brand. So if you're just starting, you can do a lot of influencer seeding really, really easily through TikTok shop. That's kind of one of the biggest things about it. You can even be your own affiliate, which is in the Shopee Lab Accelerator. So the software that we have here, there is an option called the Accelerator program, which is our community where we help people one-on-one. So I have my whole agency team in there. I'm in there, of course. And one of the recent strategies that we've been talking about is an organic strategy to grow a brand from scratch, right? Because a lot of the people in the community are doing branded drop shipping. So, they're just starting with ads. But if you are buying a lot of stock, right? Let's say you're actually building a brand from the get-go, not drop shipping, it can be very risky to run ads because, it's expensive. So one of the best things that you can do is actually use TikTok shop to your advantage and create multiple pages for your TikTok shop and become your own affiliate. And of course, also recruit other affiliates. That's what they're doing. And what's so amazing about this strategy is that once you start doing this, you can actually just take all the best performing content and put it on your Meta Ads account, and it's more likely to produce good results than just testing videos that you've never tested before. So that's pretty cool. That's one other little bit of value that you can get from this video. The other thing I wanted to show you is just how much traffic these guys are driving to their Shopify store. I mean, it's really unbelievable. So they got 3.2 million monthly visitors coming in from all over the world. That's also what I think this is actually the big reason why they're able to dominate the market, is because the global market is about 1.6 billion. Let's just call it 2 billion because that was in 2024. But guess what? They can ship everywhere. So they're able to dominate some of these smaller markets like Germany, Belgium, Australia, the United Kingdom. Of course, the US is number one. The US just has the biggest consumer population in the world, and the highest, GDP. So, of course, the US is always going to be on top. Well, I think it's always going to be on top, but other countries are starting to grow more and more. So, that's another thing. When you're watching these videos from me, do consider taking these ideas into your specific market. Let's say you're from Belgium, right? I mean, we know there's proof of concept here. People like this in Belgium. So you could start in Belgium and then expand out of there, but you can build a sizable business from just Belgium. So that's just something to keep in mind. In the accelerator, actually, in Shopee Lab, we have, for example, these two 21-year-olds, not 2-year-olds. Someday there will be 2-year-old entrepreneurs, I bet. But it's a couple 21-year-olds that are from the Netherlands, and they build a brand from scratch, and now they're doing 25K a day. It's pretty unbelievable. They started in February. So yeah, you can really dominate small markets and then expand from there. Another thing I found super interesting about Loop is that they're, like I mentioned, really educating people on this awareness, because if we just look up earplugs, right? There's about 90,000 people looking into earplugs every single month, just that simple search keyword. Earplugs for concerts, earplugs for sleeping is the biggest one, of course. And then concerts is the second biggest one. But way more people are actually looking up Loop earplugs than just earplugs. So it kind of goes to show that there's these markets out there, right? Like either earplugs market where, we know it's a thing, but there's really no brand that appeals to us, right? In particular. I mean, maybe we like a particular brand's product, but there's no brand. I mean, I don't know how to explain it properly. Maybe I lack the words, but Loop is the first like earplug brand that I see, right? So that's why they've just not only dominated the market, but even kind of created a new market, which is so cool. So these are some of the things that I wanted to talk about in this video. I know it's getting a little bit long. I do have a couple more things to mention though. So yeah, they're doing TikTok Shop, which is pretty interesting. That's what you should do if you're starting a brand as well, from zero. Unless you're drop shipping, then you obviously can't use TikTok Shop. But I mean, actually, that's kind of it. That's pretty much everything I wanted to highlight. I just thought this was such an interesting niche, and I think this brand is doing a lot of things right. They're totally crushing it, and now there's just so many more competitors coming in, seeing just how much success they were having, which means a little bit of a turbulent future for Loop, in my opinion. But I think they can continue to stay on top because they've already built so much momentum. I mean, they probably could even raise capital, right? Maybe they have already, who knows, in order to continue to expand. Maybe get into headphones, right? That could be cool. I think if Loop gets into headphones, maybe does a collaboration with Apple somehow. I'm literally just brain dumping right now. That could be cool. That could push them to, $1 billion in revenue, something like that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it insightful. I love making these videos for you guys. I get a lot out of it myself. So it's also super cool that you guys like to see them and that you're getting a lot of value from it. So if you want to check out some of my stuff, then go to the link in my bio. You'll see Blue Dot Holdings is my company, and we own a variety of software and e-com stores, but I'm primarily talking about software here in these videos because I just want to show you the value and share the value from there for free, so that a lot of people would charge for this stuff. So I want to provide it to you for free. Of course, if you want to join, it is paid. And then, of course, if you need help with anything, I do also own an agency where we set up a lot of really great systems for companies. For example, Smart Reply is one of the systems that we actually set up for brands at the agency right now. So brands can sign up for Smart Reply themselves. We actually have multiple 9-figure brands that use Smart Reply. It's an AI agent that basically does all of your social media customer service, engages with people, moderation. This is especially important for bigger brands, right? That get a lot of negative comments, and those actually really affect bigger brands. So you want to make sure you catch all those 24/7 instantly, and that's what this does. But at Akemi, we're using Smart Reply to, we're training it for brands so that they don't have to worry about it. We're providing the human oversight. And then, of course, we also run Meta, TikTok, and Google Ads, which is pretty awesome. That's pretty much it, though. That's everything I'm doing. That's everything related to me. So just wanted to mention it in case you're interested. But ultimately, I think this is a massive booming niche. I think it's only going to continue to grow as more people become aware of, their hearing health, but also as noise pollution continues to increase in the world. I mean, it's not a great thing, but this is kind of a band-aid solution to that, is as noise pollution continues to increase, as people continue to become more aware of getting better sleep, how good it is to get better sleep, how bad it is to go to concerts and just not have earplugs. This niche will continue to grow more and more and more. And you don't have to build a brand of this caliber, right? You could just go after a very small niche of people as well if you wanted to. Like make it EDM specific, an EDM specific earplug brand, for example. But I personally think you should just go for the biggest possible outcome, right? Why not? So that's pretty much it for me. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.